Dear friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can delete your list. It's a step-by-step process. If you like the video, please like it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In the first step, open your Chrome browser. Second step, go to the youtube.com website. Third step, log in with your Gmail account. Fourth step, here, you need to click on the 3 lines. Fifth step, click on playlists. Sixth step, your playlists will be shown here. Click on the 3 dots of the one you want to delete and click the delete button. And this way, your playlist will be deleted. Hopefully, you got some information from this video. If you did, like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and be sure to share this video with friends.